Hello everyone, welcome to YouFounding. We are very glad to demonstrate how to set up the 4G Kids smartwatch. Today, we will mainly cover 4 parts: install SIM card, bind app, common settings, and show how to make calls, voice chat, and video chat. Step 1. Install SIM card. Here we need to prepare additional nano SIM card. First, we can see screwdrivers, clips, and watches in the box. We will use them later. Spare screws are not needed for now. When the watch is off, use a screwdriver to open the case. Insert the SIM cards with the chip facing up and with the triangular notch facing down. Be sure to push firmly with a clip to ensure the card is in place. Otherwise, the SIM card signal may be poor. Then attach the case and tighten the screws. Okay, the card is now installed. Let's turn it on. Press and hold the button on the right side of the watch for 3 seconds, and then try to slide the watch screen from top to bottom to see if the watch signal is normal. If you can see the 4G signal logo, it means there's no problem. If 3G or E is displayed, the card may not support 4G networks. You need to check the card operator. Step 2. Binding the app. Next, we need to take out your phone and search for Setracker 2 in the App Store. There are 2 versions of Setracker. We recommend you download the second one. Before signing in, we need to register for an account. Choose a language and your region and click Register. Enter your email address, verification code, and at least 6 digits password to confirm registration. Later, we will use this email and password to log in to the account. After registering, we will return to the login interface, then immediately enter the account and password, and then log in. It will display a prompt asking us to bind the device. At this time, we can take out the watch, scan the registration code on the back of the watch, then enter the baby's name and choose your identity. Log in. Binding is now completed. We can test if the binding is successful by looking for the device. If the watch makes sound, then the binding is successful. Step 3. Common function settings. Return to the main interface of the app. Click on Me, Device List, Edit, Add phone number, and Children's Watch. Now let's briefly introduce each setting in turn. 1. 3 SOS numbers can be set. 2. Monitoring settings. The number of the guardian needs to be entered here. 3. Do not disturb can be set during the class period. Once this function is set, any call will be invalid during this period. Other functions can be set according to your needs. 4. Another thing to note is the contacts. Here you can add 10 contacts. The numbers which are not included will not be able to dial the watch. Step 4. Test call, voice chat, and video chat. After the setup is completed, let's finally test this. Open Watch, Contacts, click, and then the call will be connected. Go back. Find the chat option. Press and hold the long white box below. Then speak and automatically release a voice message when you release your finger, corresponding to the voice chat history found in the main interface of the mobile app. Go back again. Swipe right to find the video chat. Click Select the person you want to chat with and start the video chat. The above is a brief introduction to the common functions of 4G children's watch. If you have any other questions during the setup, please contact us. vinbert.lee@gmail.com